Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Estes and welcome to my course Connecting IoT Devices in AWS with Amazon Greengrass. Currently, I am a cloud architect at CSG International. IoT and machine learning are some of the fastest growing trends in technology today. And this course is going to touch on how you can utilize IoT with AWS and then leverage machine learning in a secure manner. In this course, we're going to start working through setting up IoT Greengrass on our own local IoT devices, and we're going to utilize AWS provided machine learning models. Some of the major topics that we are going to cover include what AWS IoT Greengrass is, utilizing cloud-trained machine learning models on our own IoT devices, securely connecting to and deploying with AWS IoT Greengrass, and then finally logging with AWS IoT Greengrass. By the end of this course, you'll know how to leverage AWS IoT services for your own needs. Now, before beginning this course, you should be familiar with core AWS services as well as having a basic understanding of IoT principles. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS IoT related services with courses on advanced IoT architectures and further optimizing machine learning for your own needs. So I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to implement connecting IoT devices in AWS with Amazon Greengrass course here at Pluralsight.